Have you ever felt like learning a new skill? Anything, whether it's coding, a new language, or just getting up to speed for a new project, just takes forever? Well, if that's you, you're in the right place. We are going to break down a completely new, way smarter way to study using some incredibly powerful AI tools. Let's dive in.
We've all been there, right? You spend hours and hours watching videos, you're reading articles, you're taking pages of notes, but at the end of the day, you kind of have that sinking feeling like, did I actually learn anything? Man, it is so frustrating. But the good news is it really doesn't have to be like that anymore.
And this is where the big shift happens. Just look at the difference here. The old way, it's all passive. It's inefficient. You're just endlessly hunting for information, right? The new way, the AI-powered way, it's active, it's direct, it's structured. You're not just lost in a sea of information anymore, you're actually getting guided, step-by-step learning. And here's the most important part. This isn't just about downloading a random list of cool apps. Nope. The real magic, the real game changer, is in combining them into a single, powerful system, a brand new workflow that is going to completely transform how you learn. And here's what that system looks like. It's actually a really simple three-stage process. First, you acquire the knowledge. Step 2, you organize it so you can actually make sense of it all. And then step 3, you reinforce it so it's locked in your brain for the long term. We're going to walk through each one of these right now. So first up, stage 1, acquiring knowledge. This is all about finding the right information way faster than before. And we're going to start with a tool you probably already know, but you might be using it completely wrong. You see, the key mind shift here is to stop thinking of AI as just a fancy search engine and start treating it like your own personal tutor. Imagine having a teacher that's available 24/7, never gets tired, and can perfectly adapt every single explanation to your exact level of understanding. Well, that's not science fiction anymore. That's what's possible right now.
And this is how you unlock that personal tutor using something like ChatGPT. Don't just ask it for a boring definition. No. You gotta command it to be your teacher. Tell it, hey, I'm a total beginner. Ask it for real-world examples and analogies that actually make sense to you. And this is the most important part. Tell it to quiz you to make sure you're actually getting it. This quote right here sums it up perfectly. The first prompt, it just gets you a big wall of text. But that second prompt, that gets you an actual interactive learning experience. It's such a small tweak in how you ask, but believe me, it makes a world of difference in how fast you learn.
Okay, next up for acquiring knowledge is Perplexity AI. You could think of this as a way smarter, way faster version of Google. Instead of that long list of blue links that sends you down a dozen different rabbit holes, you get a direct, straight-to-the-point answer with all the sources clearly cited. This is an absolute game changer for focused research. All right, so you've used these tools to gather all this raw information. But now what? How do you actually make sense of it all and, make it stick? Well, that brings us to stages 2 and 3, organizing that knowledge and locking it into your long-term memory. This is where a tool like Notion AI becomes your new best friend. Let's be honest, most of our notes are a complete chaotic mess. With Notion AI, you can just paste in that brain dump of yours and instantly turn it into clean summaries, a structured outline, or even a checklist of key takeaways. It does all the heavy lifting of organizing for you. Okay, here's another powerful way to reinforce what you're learning. Start using your dead time. You know what I'm talking about? Your commute, when you're walking the dog, doing chores. Tools like Speechify can take your notes or any article and turn it into natural-sounding audio. Suddenly, you can review material and learn on the go without ever having to stare at a screen. Now, for what might be the most critical piece of this entire system, active recall. The science on this is absolutely clear. Passively rereading your notes is one of the worst, least effective ways to study. Real learning only happens when you force your brain to pull out the information. It's like doing a bicep curl for your memory. And that is exactly why a tool like Quizlet AI is so incredibly powerful. It completely automates this process of active recall. You can literally feed it your notes and poof, it generates flashcards and quizzes for you. And even better, it uses something called spaced repetition, which is a fancy way of saying it smartly shows you the stuff you're weakest on more often. It turns studying from a passive chore into an active and, honestly, kind of fun process. So, we've got all the pieces of the puzzle. Now, let's put them all together. This right here is your new playbook for learning literally anything, faster than ever before. So here it is, the whole system in one shot. Step 1, you acquire knowledge with ChatGPT as your personal tutor and Perplexity as your super smart researcher. Step 2, you organize it all with Notion AI to create structure and clarity from the chaos. And finally, you reinforce and remember it by testing yourself with Quizlet and listening on the go with Speechify. Now, there are other great tools out there for sure, but these form the absolute cornerstone of a complete learning system.
So if there's one thing you take away from all this, it's this. Learning fast in today's world isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's not even about working harder. It's about working smarter by using the right tools. And that is a skill that absolutely anyone can build.
And that brings us to the final question. With this system at your fingertips, the barriers to learning something new and exciting have never, ever been lower. So, the only real question left is, what will you learn next?